Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify. Now, there are two ways to connect your Shopify to CJ Store. First, all you're going to do is to go directly onto the Shopify and search on all applications to CJ Dropshipping and click on Add to App. Second is authorize your store manually. Go to the authorization, Shopify, and click Add Stores. Enter your Shopify address and enter the default URL provided by the Shopify, and you can find it to your Shopify admin. Log it into your Shopify account, the steps in the Shopify to connect to your store on CJ. And then after connecting your Shopify to CJ, you are authorized to obtain the names, address, purchase products of your customers, and the order number, and generate it to your store for handling your Shopify orders to CJ. And then once you finish the connection, you will see a pop-up authorization success. All you need to do is to go to the authorization to review the status of your authorized store. And then after authorizing your Shopify shops, you can easily post sourcing requests regarding the existing items into your Shopify store, connect the items into your store to your source products on CJ, sync your Shopify orders to CJ automatically, and once the order has been paid and processed, tracking numbers will be automatically synchronized to your Shopify shops. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.